The Phiestina PH-CBR100SP 100-can compressor beverage cooler air-cooled refrigerator stainless steel glass door with handle. The Phiestina PH-CBR100SP 100-can compressor beverage cooler air-cooled refrigerator is a splendid appliance that you can use to store not only your wines but other beverages as well, including carbonated drinks, etc. The cooler can perfectly chill up to an impressive 100 beverage cans within a broad temperature range of 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It also features 4 shelves which can be easily removed as per your liking. The blue LED lighting also helps identify the drinks inside the wine cooler. Furthermore, the exterior of the Phiestina PH-CBR100SP 100-can compressor beverage cooler air-cooled refrigerator has a heavy-duty stainless steel construction. This allows the utmost durability that lasts a long time. In addition, this beverage cooler comes in a stylish and slim design that occupies minimal space inside your home. Other top features of this cooler include an advanced lock that provides maximum security, as well as an exclusive and fashionable door handle. Now for some pros. High capacity of 100 beverage cans. Comes equipped with LED lighting that enhances indoor decor. The wire shelves are easy to adjust and remove as per your preferences. Now for a con. It's quite heavy and needs maximum care when you handle it.